right, right now I want to answer the question, how is the core involved in pitching? You guys, the core is the hub that connects everything together. If you don't have great core strength or know how to utilize it as a pitcher, you're not throwing hard, okay? So, one of the things that you need to ensure that you do when you take your stride forward is make sure you're balanced right here. Your shoulders are level, your head is over your center of gravity. Now, over your belly button, that's the center of gravity. Now, can you be back here? Yes. In fact, I would recommend that as you stride forward, that you're not here, but that you're here. So you can continue to drive forward. That's something to work for. You're not going to stride and stay back like this, okay? You want your entire body to come forward, but at foot strike, you can be here, not here. That's going to give you a little bit more power, okay? So, the point is, how is your core affect your velocity? Well, think about this. Do the opposite, okay? If you're coming down here and you start to rotate your hips, you're not utilizing your core, and you can actually feel that. But if you bring your arms up to equal and opposite, and you keep your head centered, and you start that rotation, you can feel that how much core is activated. And let's go back to the very beginning. If your balance is off here, let's say at foot strike, you're here, okay? And you start to rotate. Well, there's no core involved right there. Not a lot. There's always core involved, but there's not a lot of core going on. I can't feel that energy coming forward. It's because I'm on the heels of my feet. But if I stay on the balls of my feet, okay, and my momentum's coming forward, not my momentum, but I'm forward here just a little bit, then I start to rotate, I can really feel my core. Again, throwing the baseball is a feet to fingertip exercise. If you don't know how to utilize your core correctly when you're throwing, you're missing out on a ton of velocity. So it's all about a balancing act here, not doing this, not coming back here, way back, and not coming over here. Those are some ways to keep your core activated, is getting in the right balance, head over center of gravity when you're trying to throw, okay, or when you're throwing the baseball, not trying to throw it. When you're throwing the baseball, head over center, make sure you're closed, not open. When that front foot hits the ground, make sure you're closed, and your hips go first. That's another key point. If I get to equal and opposite, and I'm closed, everything's fine. My weight's out on the balls of my feet, I can really drive forward here, and all of a sudden my elbow goes this way. Well, my upper body rotates before my upper body. When that happens, or if that happens, I'm not getting the full effect of utilizing my core the way that I should. So pay close attention, watch yourself on video, make sure you've got that balance down and you're utilizing your core correctly so you can throw a lot faster.